2016 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.